Hi YouTube, today we will be learning how to use asynchronous request in Python. First thing you have to do is import async.io and random. Then you define a function, but instead of defining it like a normal function, you write async in front of it. On a new line, you make a special sleep request using async.io, and then you make a print request that prints hi, and then ID, which we will define later. After that, you make another function called main and define a variable named task, which will be an empty array for now. And then you make a for loop, which goes in range for 1,000, and it will append hi, the function earlier, and I. So this means that ID will be equal to whatever I equals. Then you make a new request for async.io to gather the tasks. And finally, on a new line, you define the loop, which will be async.io.getEventLoop. And you make a try function, which will run the loop until complete, the function until complete, the function main, and then finally it will close the loop. And now that we run our asynchronous program, you can see that it doesn't run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because it just prints out the first thing that the program can print out. And now that I've commented out or deleted all the async.io or asynchronous part of the program, when I run it, you see it runs 1 through 999.